Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of 410 Drone and Travel. I'm Tony G. Appreciate you guys stopping by. If this is your first time here, please make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons. It really helps the channel out a lot. If this isn't your first time here, welcome back. Appreciate all the support from all my returning subscribers. Today's episode, we're going to be doing a initial review on the TUMI Higgins Backpack Sling. You might say, why do you need a sling when you already have a Alpha Bravo Deluxe backpack? Well, I do have the backpack for my everyday business use, to and from the office, to and from clients' offices, and I can leave a link in the description down below for that video, but also check it out here at the pop-up box. But the sling is mainly going to be for when I'm traveling for pleasure. If I'm going to Miami or Disney World in Florida, or Atlantic City, New Jersey, or Las Vegas, Nevada, because I frequent those places a lot. I am a poker player, so I do usually carry my battery charger, any snacks or phone cables or anything that I might need, and I don't need to carry a full backpack for. So here is the TUMI Higgins Backpack Sling. I hope you guys enjoy the episode. Okay, here we are with the TUMI Higgins Backpack Sling. As you can tell, there seems to be many compartments in it, which is one of the reasons why I like this so much. It does match my TUMI rolling luggage, which I will leave a description down below of that also, so you can see the review on that. And let's go in some of the compartments and see what's what. All right, starting with the outside, you get your TUMI luggage tag. You can fill out the inside portion and have it so you can get your stuff returned to you if you don't use the TUMI tracer option. Also, the monogrammable decal on the side. There is one compartment on the left-hand side, one compartment on the right-hand side, and one of these compartments is waterproof. All right, for the center compartment here, we have a small, very thin, you might be able to fit a small tablet or some pens, maybe a notebook in there. It does come with the TUMI tracer. So if you haven't ever heard of the TUMI tracer, you can get that registered with TUMI. Then if you ever lose it and somebody returns it to a TUMI store, they can scan that and return it to the proper customer that it belongs to. Okay, starting with the right-hand side here. Get this stuff out of the way here. This is the side that has the bottle holder in it. It's got that like cooler lining fabric type of stuff. It also has a deep enough pocket to fit a Yeti in there and a vent on the side to vent any moisture that might get caught up in there. Okay, now moving over to the left-hand side. Got the stuff in there. We have a typical pocket for TUMI. They have a couple business card holders, a pen holder, a slot in the back. But what I like is the key holder. It's got this really heavy-duty, well-made spring clip for your keys or anything with a key ring that you might need to hold onto there. It is pretty deep. You can fit a small notebook and some pens and pads or whatever you might need in there. Like I said, it's got business card holder, credit card holder, whatever you want to need it for. But this is a typical TUMI thing in most of their bags. Okay, let's move on to the main compartment here. Let's put these all the way down. Stuffing. Okay, here is the main compartment for the sling. Back here, it's clearly big enough for a iPad mini or a 9.7 or 10.2 inch iPad. I'm not sure if it will fit the iPad Pro, but I have tested it in the store and it will fit a standard iPad. Here you have a little zipper compartment. The zipper compartment will allow you to fit your passport, a wallet, or any small thin items. The main portion though is very deep, as you can see. I plan on putting my drone in here when I walk from place to place, or if I'm traveling, I don't want to carry my main drone case. Hold a change of clothes, a light jacket, and maybe some toiletries in case you want to use this for a quick overnight trip or a quick day trip somewhere. Okay, on to the back side. There's not too much to it. You've got the V stitched strap at the top. It does adjust pretty lengthy and pretty big. I do like the fact that at the bottom it's got the sliding sling strap, so you can either go with the right or the left depending on how you want to wear it. But also, people don't realize that this is actually a pass-through. So if you have a piece of TUMI luggage with a handle, you can slide that right through and walk through the airport with it instead of having to hold it on your back. So one final just quick overview. You have 3 front compartments, a main compartment in the back. You have a very sturdy ballistic nylon. With this one I got with the camo pattern. The bottom of it does have nice ballistic nylon on the bottom so it doesn't scratch. A little bit of leatherette or leather on the sides and bottom. This is going to be my everyday carry when I'm traveling for the most part instead of using my full TUMI backpack. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for stopping by. See you next episode. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, please make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you liked about the video, what you didn't like about the video. If you have any questions about the backpack sling. And I'll see you guys in the next episode.